Computer applications. Multiple choice question and answers in English and Kannada. This is part 12. In this video, total 17 question and answers from question number 318 to 334. Question: EDVAC stands for dash. Option: Electronic Delay Variable Automatic Computer, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, Electronic Discrete Variation Automatic Computing, and Electronic Discrete Variation Automatic Computer. Right answer is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Question: in the mouse, the left button is used for dash. Option: to point the required program, to select the required program, to click the required program, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question: LCD stands for option: light color display, liquid cool display, low crystal display, and liquid crystal display. Right answer is liquid crystal display. Question: which of the following is not a hardware? Option: CPU, compiler, memory unit, and chip. Right answer is compiler. Question: the icons generally present in my computer windows by default. Option: 3.5 floppy drive, CD, CD-ROM drive, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question: to copy a text, one has to press dash. Option: Ctrl plus C key, Ctrl plus K key, Ctrl plus A key, and Ctrl plus V key. Right answer is Ctrl plus C key. Question: to find a text in document, we use dash. Option: search command, find command, replace command, and none of the above. Right answer is find command. Question: standard toolbar contains shortcut icons for dash. Option: new, open, save, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question: not equal to operator in MS Excel is represented as dash. Option: exclamation mark and equal, not equal, mark of less than and more than, and X. Right answer is mark of less than and more than. Question: electronic spreadsheet is not present in dash. Option: Lotus 123, Quattro Pro, VPP, and Speed. Right answer is Speed. Question: in MS Excel, chart or graph can be inserted by using dash. Option: view to chart, formula to chart, insert to chart, and tools to chart. Right answer is insert to chart. Question: what field type is used to store picture in a table? Option: memo, OLE, hyperlink, and none of these. Right answer is OLE. Question: queries in MS Access are dash. Option: select query, parameter query, action query, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question. Different methods of creating queries are dash. Option. Using query wizard, creating queries in design view manually, and both A and C. Right answer is both A and C. Question. In MS Access, reports are dash. Option. Used to present data in a printed format, used to display data in intended size and appearance, used to summarize the data linked to one or two tables, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question. FTP stands for dash. Option. File Transfer Protocol, File Telnet Protocol, File Transaction Protocol, and none of the above. Right answer is File Transfer Protocol. Question. To send an attachment file, you must do dash. Option. Attach to browse, to open, to attach file. Attach to select, to browse, to OK, to attach files. Attach to select, to open, to send, to attach files. And attach to select, to OK, to browse, to attach files. Right answer is attach to browse, to open, to attach files.